Another system which was launched in the other part of India was the Ryotwari system. This system was started by Alexander Reed in some of the areas that were taken over by the company and subsequently extended all over the South India by Thomas Munro. This particular revenue collection system was made for the southern part of India. In the British territories in the south, settlement was made directly with the cultivators. Cultivators here termed as Ryots. Now these Ryots were directly in touch with the British territories who had titled the land for the generation, and these cultivators were the one who are owners of those land since their generations, and they were directly in touch with the Britishers for the revenue. Their fields were separately surveyed before the revenue assessment was made. The real owners of the field, everybody did not have the land just like in the present day. So the one who had the land, their lands were particularly assessed, how much area is there, their fields were surveyed, and then their revenue was fixed. Shortcomings of the system. In Ryotwari system, a single person, the village headman, had the charges of collecting the revenue and paying it to the company. In this, the charge of collecting the revenue was given to one person who was the headman of the village, who was the only he was the one who was responsible for collecting the revenue and giving it to the Britishers. In most cases, though the fields of Ryots had to be carefully and separately surveyed before the revenue to increase the income from land, revenue officials were so corrupt that they fixed too high a revenue demand, so the system became unfair. Now, because somewhere these revenue officials also wanted to earn more money, so they did corruption. They fixed the revenue so higher because they were the middleman in between the farmers, the cultivators, and the Britishers. So they have taken this chance as the opportunity to earn more money. But this unfairness led to the failure of this system.